So there is technical challenges connected with this, but the hybrid hydrogen technology, I believe, is going to be a game changer, is going to solve that kind of bottleneck. And on the other hand, we at Grasshopper, we're developing both solutions, fully electric and hybrid hydrogen, because with hydrogen you can get into the distance. On the other hand, our electric version is using a battery swap system. Not per se battery swap, but we're swapping our cargo containers, which equals that. We will see how it pans out when these fully electric vehicles come on board. I believe battery swapping and hybrid hydrogen solution will solve these issues in the very long run.
Yeah, no, that's, I think, very good point, because a lot of things have to come together. And I think probably the slow charging battery replacement pack thing kind of is, and it's a tried and tested thing, right? Because if you look at in the urban areas, there are all these scooters and mopeds and stuff like that that you can rent. I know you've probably tried in Barcelona, Jacob, because we have all these scooters everywhere. That's exactly what they do. They see that the charging level has gone down. They come in and they pop the battery out, they put a new one in, off they go. And I think that will be probably sensible. And I think you're designing the whole container that encapsulate the battery pack and the storage area. That's, I think, is brilliant.